At number 3, we have the Kenmore Friendly 22614. The Kenmore 22614 is a versatile and compact bagless canister vacuum that excels in performance, especially for pet owners. It features a pet PowerMate attachment that effectively lifts hair, dander, and more from various surfaces, making it ideal for homes with pets. The vacuum is equipped with a HEPA-certified filter, ensuring that almost all significant allergens are removed from the air flowing through the vacuum, which is a significant advantage for allergy sufferers. Its compact size and tight turning radius enhance its ease of use, allowing for effortless maneuverability and storage. The vacuum also boasts a filterless dust cup that gathers dirt in a round chamber, which is easy to empty and saves on the cost of replacement bags. In terms of design, the Kenmore 22614 is lightweight and features a retractable cord, adding to its convenience and ease of use. The vacuum comes with a variety of attachments, including a crevice tool and dust brush upholstery tool, which further adds to its versatility. However, some users might find the manual pile height adjustment less convenient compared to automatic systems. Value for money is evident in its durable construction and the inclusion of features typically found in more expensive models. While the vacuum performs exceptionally well on various surfaces, its performance on thicker carpets could be improved by opting for models with more specialized nozzles. Overall, the Kenmore Friendly 22614 offers a compelling combination of performance, features, and value, making it a solid choice for those seeking a reliable vacuum for a pet-friendly home.